You want to know how to get the Threads badge on your Instagram profile, and in this video I'll show you exactly how you can do that. Now closely follow along to not miss any steps. Let's first head into the Threads app. The first method is to create an account on Threads and link it to your Instagram profile. Once you have done that, you can click on the Instagram profile that appears in the top right corner. It will take you to Instagram, and there you go. You get the Instagram Threads badge. If that does not work, you can always try this method. Click on the three lines in the top right corner on Instagram. Now click on the first option, which is settings and privacy, and scroll all the way down till you see help. Now tap on the first option, report a problem, and tap on report a problem without shaking. Click on include and type this exact message to Instagram and send it to them. They'll try to help you as soon as possible, but you need to be patient because obviously they get a lot of messages each day. Now if this video was helpful to you, please make sure to subscribe to support me and my channel. It is highly appreciated. And as always, I hope to see you on the next tutorial.